Water scarcity and soil erosion are the major climate vulnerability in Mon district of Nagaland. The adopted village Ngangching is having a total area of about 1,347 hectares and total cultivated area of 273 hectares. Maximum land under cultivation is about 255 hectares, which is rain-fed. The area experiences an annual average rainfall of about 2,200 mm, and the major soil types are sandy loam and loamy soil.
Sukai konyak ase, aro mola bosti do soba jangle ase. Mola nam do kuchu konyak ase, yang ching laga, mishi aramchi laga German. Mola nam do bungkai ase, mishi aramchi laga mabes kita. Mola ka nam do lau ase, do Nikra project mishi aramchi committee laga secretary ase. Amakan area de hawa pani hisapte Nikra project laga. Itu kan pasta practices kuri ase. Number 1. Sita tham pijon mati te philai tiatu isi phal bra olai. Aro kuti bi phal bra loi. Number 2. Thal loa biji de lai bata pijon sita mati de philai dile phal bra olai. Aro kuti bi phal olai. Number 3. Mati olop khundi gina motor pijon laga pijide. Than chapra mati pon kuri gina thali dile pani obode najai gina pijon phan pra olai. Aro kuti pi pai. Number 4. Suka kheti de especially chunsi kuni than loa pijide akhuni lagai dile pisi phal pra olai. Aro kuti pi phal bra loi. Number 5. Muikhan posti de murki especially broiler palile pisi phal hoi. We have adopted direct seeded rice DSR technology in 2016 to continue. Direct seeded rice DSR technology saves expenses related to nursery raising, but also field preparation and saving of irrigation water required for budding period due transplanting of seedlings. Before direct seeded rice, DSR intervention, we Ngangching farmers earn only rupees 7,000 to 8,000 per hectare by cultivating paddy under traditional management. After Nikra DDC interventions of direct seeded seedling rice, DSR interventions of direct seedling rice, DSR practice, we obtained an average yield of 38 quintal per hectare during 2016 to 2018. Also with a gross return of about 54% per hectare by selling the produce of Logan market with average price of rupees 12 per kg. Thank you, sir.
Another farmer available here, he is practicing direct seeded rice technology. Please, you give your explanation.
My name is Pubil Konyak from Ngangching village. I doing this kind of cultivation.
Another lady farmer, she is also cultivating direct seeded rice. Please, you tell your.
Wala nam lingo kunyak.
Under resource conservation technologies, minimal tillage, short duration tea variety Prakash along with mulching with crop residue of paddy extra was demonstrated in Nikra adopted village Ngangching in lowland rice fallows in 8 numbers of farmers field an area of 2 hectares on residual soil moisture. The legume crop helped in improving soil nitrogen along with additional returns from the increased cropping intensity. In the first year 2017-18, 5 numbers of farmers cultivated pea in rice fallows covering more than 1 hectare area, as most of the rice fallows remains uncultivated after paddy cultivation. Many of the farmers showed great interest in adopting this technology. After seeing the success of the intervention, nearly 20 farmers from the same village had approached KVK Mon for introducing the technology in their fields. This technology demonstrated in the farmers' field had shown 10% increase in pod yield, which features 2 times higher returns than traditional method. The benefit cost ratio also increased from 1.5 to 1.6.
Demonstration Component Program Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Mon, Nagaland. Foxtail millet is taken up as a sole crop under Jum field in Nikra adopted village and surroundings, mostly second year, somewhere first year in Jum cycle. Lack of awareness, heavy rainfall, poor soil health, and non-growing pulses crops were the drawback for low net returns of farmers. To overcome this problem, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Mon, Nagaland under Nikra TDC program introduced soybean as a sequential crop after fallow harvesting of foxtail millet to utilize and maintain soil moisture, improve soil health, increase the cropping intensity. As a result, farmers are getting additional returns. Climate resilient crop variety of soybean JS335 were demonstrated in 1 hectare area with an average yield of 10.2 quintal per hectare, resulting net returns of Rs 24,500 per hectare in 2018. This year, farmers are taking keen interest and area was extended more than 7 hectares in Jum field as a sole crop with 20 numbers of farmers after harvesting of climate resilient local crop varieties of foxtail millet. Thank you.
আমি নাম অংক ভূঁঞা আমি নানচিং কুচি লগা আছে খেতি পইলাৰ পৰা পানী খেতি কৰি থাকিছে তো ইৰিগেশ্যন নাই এইটো যেনে আমি খান এনেই মাটিৰ পৰা বন কৰিনে ইৰিগেশ্যন বনাই থাকিছে তো আমি খান পানীটো বেছি লছ হৈ থাকিছে বেছি টোপ পাই থাকিছে তো 2015-16 de Nikra project pra irrigation channel 60-70 meter bonai dise bonai dia biside pani ekdom hal available pani pai ase etu pra hal bi bisi bhal hoy ase amikan than kada biside lai bata khan soso moto sabji khan ki sabji ase etu pura hali amikan हाल के ने ये तो बेसी लाभ पाई थे तो पहला तो एकदम लॉस हुई था किसे ये तो इलेक्शन बना पीछे थे अमितान लाभ पाई से तो बेसी खुशी पोआ ये तो नेक्रा प्रोजेक्ट के बेसी खुशी पोआ ये तो पता चलने के